Hi everyone, this is David with eminitradingstrategies.com. Wanted to come in real quick, talk about the markets. You know, the VIX just about hit a 5-year low. Markets are rallying. You know, trading's a lot slow right now, but we're still getting some really great trade setups in the first 20 minutes of the day. Today was a good example of that. We opened up right about here. This NSC was pre-market. We wouldn't take that trade, and that's the NSC, by the way. And by the way, I recorded our webinar Sunday nights. If you want to know more really about what an NSC is, or the EET, the pullback, those are our three setups. Get with Al, and he'll get you the webinar recording. You can check that out as well. So anyways, this was not a valid setup because it happened pre-market. So when we opened up, we were in a spot to place obviously a trade, but we had two available tick trader setups. So we had a pullback trade, which is long, and an EET trade, which is short. And this sometimes can be problematic because question is, well, which one do I take? Let's face it, guys. There's going to be times there's going to be a little subjectivity in trading. And this is a little bit of that right here. But here's the good news, okay? Before you turn off the video, realize this. First, these trades will both win 70% of the time. So there's not a wrong answer, okay? And I have a way of filtering these trades out too. So first, they win 70% of the time. Okay, so let's put that aside. We can rule one out. If the long-term filter is going long, we wouldn't take a short trade. We know it's going to only be the pullback trade, all right? Or, you know, there's other, if there's an NSC at a no zone, we would not trade against that. So a couple things we can do. But here's the time we can't filter them both out. So what do? I simply look at conviction for me. I see a lot of conviction at the beginning, but this was pre-market. We open up, there's no conviction. It's just sideways. Not a lot of price movement in here. I go with the EET. But if you grab the pullback, it still worked out. You still made your one and done. If you grab the EET, you definitely made a one and done. Probably a little more money if you wanted to. Following conviction down, you could have rode all the way down to here. Made an extra couple, 3 ticks. Very nice. So we then had 2 more EETs on top of that. So down here, let's say it took the pullback trade. You either grab the pullback or the EET. You wouldn't take the NSC short here because you're in one of these trades. So pullback trade came close to stopping us out, turned back around. So if you're in a pullback trade, you would have stayed in the pullback trade. If you were in the EET trade, you had the opportunity to jump in another EET trade, grab another 4 ticks. Then when this one's making profit, this pullback's making its profit. So these guys are up 2 points, these guys up 1 point. Then we could have all chose to take a third position, run the EET down for 3 points. What is the reality? Well, some students did just that and made 3 points today. I grabbed the EET trade, made 4 ticks. Right? Doing on larger contracts, made an income. I'm done in 3 minutes of the opening bell. But a lot of students grabbed the second trade as well. Those that took the pullback trade grabbed this trade and this trade and made 2 points. So worst case 1 point, best case 3 points, and we were done by what? 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's what day trading is all about. We're doing it even when the volatility is low. Good news is now that we're at all-time lows, you know, how much lower are we going to go? I mean, I guess it could crawl, but a little more than it already is. But more than likely, we're going to start bouncing back. And when we bounce back, at least in the volatility, market tends to overreact. Market's overbought. We're probably going to see a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a correction, which is going to raise the volatility. It's going to bring a lot of volume into the game, and we're going to see a lot more action, a lot more trade, and a lot more opportunity to make 2, 3, 4 points a day trading this system. So that's what it's all about. Enjoy the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you want to get with Al, it's Al at eminitradingstrategies.com or 904-718-4490, and he'll get you set up with the webinar. Enjoy your day.